how to disable active status in your messenger application in Android. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can disable your active status in your messenger application. So I'll be demonstrating this using an Android device and you can follow along. So the first thing that you will need to do is tap onto the messenger application icon, and this will open the chat of your messenger application. Now in the messenger interface you will need to click onto these three horizontal lines present at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply click onto this menu option and then from here choose settings within the menu. Now in the settings you can see the second option that says active status. So you will simply need to turn this active status on, which you can do so by tapping onto this active status, and then from here this toggle that says show when you're active, you will simply need to disable this, and from here you can choose it to custom, and then you can specify the date till which you want to keep it and also the time as well. So now your activity won't be shown till this particular time. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.